Hi everybody, my name is Matthew Hawker and I'm the library assistant here at the AACA Library Research Center. And today I'm going to tell you about the Museum of Bus Transportation's collection, which has been housed in the library since the year 2000. The museum is dedicated to sharing the history of the bus industry with the public. And if you've ever been to the AACA Museum in Hershey, you've probably seen some of their buses in the basement. The collection here covers models past and present, covering everything from Mack and Greyhound to GMC and ACF Brill. You'll find everything from factory photographs, sales literature, shop manuals, and even operating schedules. And now we're going to talk about some unique pieces in the collection. Let's check it out. Here we have an instruction book for the 1930 Mack bus. It contains everything from useful diagrams and information on making adjustments to the bus. And here's a maintenance manual for an MCI bus. Let's take a look inside. If you've ever used a shop manual before to repair your car, you might be interested to see that this one offers something different. If we turn back here, we can see a section on the bathroom. And on the sales literature side of things, we have two brochures from GMC's Truck and Coach division. These were printed during World War II and illustrate how the buses were helping the war effort. Not only was this good for morale, but it was also good for advertising. Let's start with this piece here. If we open it up, we see that it talks about the Harmony Short Line's role in transporting workers to Pittsburgh area factories, which would have manufactured material needed for the war. Here you can see a bunch of people lining up to get on the buses. And down here in the bottom left-hand corner, there's an ad for war bonds. The back of the brochure emphasizes the technical advantage the buses had for the war effort. For example, it makes the claim that diesel gave upward of 50% more miles per gallon, releasing millions of gallons of gasoline for war purposes. Let's move on to the next one. This particular brochure deals with the role of women in the war effort. The war opened up new opportunities for women in the workplace, including the bus industry. When we open up the brochure to the inside, we can see on the left that one driver is being trained. On the right side, there's a bus ready to go, and we can see a sailor over there. The caption indicates that the San Diego Railway hired 250 women drivers. Next up, from the photograph collection, here you can see an interesting example of the 1928 Pickwick night coach. There was nothing quite on the road like it. Here's a picture of the bus. Here you can see a diagram of what the bus looked like. It had a small kitchen, 2 bathrooms, and 13 private compartments, all of which could be converted for sleeping on long-distance trips. Here you can see a close-up from the outside of the bus of what the sleeping compartments looked like. There's a lady looking out of a ventilation window. If you look at the bottom of the photograph, you can see the name Alsatia. This was not only the name of the bus, but it was also the name of the owner's daughter. This concludes our presentation on the Museum of Bus Transportation collection. If you're interested in learning more about these buses, feel free to contact us or stop by the next time you're in Hershey. Thanks for watching and happy motoring.